In the heart of advancing technical education lies a name synonymous with excellence. School of Engineering at Manav Rachna University. Real-world exposure and immersive, hands-on experiences are the hallmarks of our meticulously crafted AICTE-approved and NBA-accredited programs. In our classrooms, project-based learning takes the center stage, fostering innovation and nurturing critical thinking skills. When our students graduate, they hit the ground running. Eminent industry and knowledge partners actively contribute to curriculum advisory and design, delivery of lectures, providing placement assistance, and bringing industry insights, all of which strengthen the learning experience. Our state-of-the-art labs are a testament to our robust endeavors in bridging the industry-academia gap.
We at MRU School of Engineering offer B.Tech in 3 major disciplines, namely Computer Science and Technology, Electronics and Communication Engineering, and Mechanical Engineering. We highly encourage our students to work on their research ideas, artistic works, literary works, and let their ideas prosper. We provide platform to our students to create novel technological solutions to promote sustainable development goals.
Centers of Excellence established in collaboration with industry and knowledge partners offer access to cutting-edge resources and a deep understanding of contemporary industry trends, ensuring that you stay ahead of the curve. Our commitment to your success extends to our employability augmentation initiatives, inculcating skills that make you highly sought after by leading organizations. From mandatory internships to guaranteed placement with TrueChip, the School of Engineering secures your success in the ever-evolving professional landscape. Our alumni have been engraving their names in globally acclaimed listings like the Forbes.
Being a part of the School of Engineering has truly been a transformative experience for me. The focus on hands-on learning, cutting-edge labs, and industry collaborations have shaped my academic journey in ways I never imagined. The active student chapters with ASME, ISHRE, NEPTEL, and others offer the access to a vast professional network and gives an opportunity to work on collaborative projects.
Our commitment to this holistic approach, weaving together academic excellence, hands-on experiences, and esteemed partnerships, has garnered well-deserved acclaim for the school. Welcome to a future where your aspirations find their wings.